Welcome back, everyone. First off, guys, I just want to say thank you so much once again for all your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Um, Today, we're back with a new video. This one will be a simple garland, actually, but it will be a portable garland. So basically, this garland you can build it and you'll be able to move it from one location to the next. So it's not actually attached to anything. So this is actually a great way if you're setting up in an area where you can't put anything on the walls, like say like for instance a restaurant or anywhere that you go that they say you can't put anything on the walls or you want to have the flexibility to be able to move it around. So that's what we're doing today. So right now, guys, I'm just unpacking the balloons that we'll be using for today's setup. The colors are chrome, metallic silver, white, and chrome metallic light blue. So like kind of like a icy blue. Stay tuned, guys, as we get ready to begin prepping the balloons. Okay, guys, so today we'll be using a lampstand. This is actually a mainstay lampstand that I bought from Target. It was around, I believe, $10. You could use either this lampstand or you could get a knot stand from IKEA. Also, Amazon sells like balloon column stands as well. I just find the lamp pole to be the most sturdy, especially like if I'm doing a design that's going to be outdoors. So basically what I'm doing right now, I have pre-built my garland and now I'm just interlocking the balloons around the pole from the back so it doesn't mess with the design in the front. So basically, guys, when you do this, you have to ensure that you're not pushing the balloons all the way to the bottom, because if you push the balloons too much onto the floor, it's gonna elevate the actual lamp from off the floor, and then your balloons won't be able to stand. Um, so yeah, guys, make sure when you put the balloons on, you are not pushing the balloons too much to the floor. You have to leave like a little space at the bottom so the lamp itself, so I'm actually moving back so you can see, the lamp itself has this, room to sit on the floor. And then once you do that, you could always fill the front of the garland with additional balloons to kind of cover the pole itself. But that's key. You have to make sure that you're not covering or pushing down the balloons too much to the floor. Otherwise, the balloon design is going to be unstable. Okay, guys, so I've completed the garland for the most part, and I've moved it over to the backdrop. Right now, I'm adding in some clear snowflake balloons and some double stuff silver and blue balloons. So I'm adding in those first, then I'll go in with the ropes, the rope mini garlands, and then I'll finish it off with my mini fillers and a couple snowflake balloons. So keep watching, guys, and stay tuned for the final result. Okay, guys, we're all done. Here is the final look. Hope you love it. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video. Until next time, guys, see ya.